Please, madam, introduce yourself.
My name is Stella, the Assistant Secretary, Igbo speaking community.
We're still talking about the report in the domain, public domain, that your PG, the President General, and the Deputy are the people handling the account of Igbo speaking community, that they dislodge the Treasurer, Assistant Treasurer, and the Secretariat. Could that be true?
That is a lie for the pit of hell.
Okay. So what is the right narrative?
The right narrative is that the accounts, the finance department do their job. The president, the PG general have never for one day asked of any report. He has never for one day asked of any report. The custodian of the reports is the secretary general. The finance is controlling, the treasurer is controlling. So far so good. For quite some time now, all the money is being paid into treasurer's account for a reason, because of the issue with our bank. So all the money collected now is being paid into the treasurer account, which the PG is not even in any way involved in that. It is the finance department, financial secretary, the treasurer, the secretary, both parties are working together.
So you are debunking the news?
I am debunking the news.
Thank you very much.